Hi, welcome back to Air Engine Research. Today I'm going to do some testing with my pressure flow regulator. I've got it set up on to the engine and everything. I put 200 psi in here on this side of the cylinder, and I noticed when I did that the pressure gauge was showing 50 psi less than the pressure gauge here. And then I put 100 psi pressure on the system, and then the pressure gauge was the same, 100 and 100. So that one back there is 50 psi less than what my pressure says that it is on the. So to get that to 200, it's actually got 250 psi from the pressure gauge onto it. I don't know. Kind of what I'm wanting to do is see if my pop-off that I put on here, it goes to my thing, which will shut off the main line here if it goes over 450 in the tank. So I'll have to see, but I want to go up and see what happens. $150. That one's still staying at 200. Now it went up. So it's starting to close off the valve here now. When that pop-off goes off, though, it scares me all the time. It goes in or out like it's supposed to. I think that definitely runs a lot faster than it did with the pressure regulator. Everything looks like it's staying together. I don't see anything. I just haven't run it that fast before, so I'm always a little leery. Well, this works here. At least it shuts it on and off. But that sure ought to make that lawnmower go faster than what it did. Of course, this is with no load on it, so when it gets under a load, I'm not sure again. Well, that's completely shut off. And my pressure is 300 on here, and that's what it is there. Okay, so the system won't go any higher because right now this valve is shut off. So the pressure on here is just over 300 and it's just under 300 there. So that means it's shut off. Now when I run the engine, this pressure drops, and then you'll see what I guess that'll work. I mainly want this for in my Volkswagen car. I'll play with it on the 3-cylinder, but it's mainly designed for my 6-cylinder engine. I don't know how that'll react on my 6-cylinder. But I might go ahead and do that and try it. See what kind of speed that does. Okay, that's running on 6 cylinders. And I've got the set pressure for 200, but that's only when it will shut it off if the back pressure is over 200. But when it's running, I don't know what the back pressure is. In the car, you would have the resistance of the car trying to hold it back. Then it's going to react a lot different, I'm sure. Okay, and it's for that kind of a fitting. And it's leaking right in here. Okay, that's going to be it for today.